Do you struggle to write emails and want AI's help? Then look no further than Cohere. Cohere is one of my favorite AI tooling, which not only allows you to interact with your products through AI via APIs, but also provides you a lot of playgrounds to do a lot of fun stuff. Email writing is one of them. As you can see, I'm already logged into cohere.com with my free email account, and here I'm going to write an email with the help of Cohere. So let me give you an example. Just go to their website. In the input section, type this or paste this. So I'm just asking it, write a convincing romantic email to girlfriend who is angry at you for forgetting her birthday. Include some suggestions to win her back. Let's make it suggestions, then click on run, and let's see what it does. And look how cool is that? Very succinct, short, to the point, with some suggestions, and really good. And if you are not satisfied with this email, you can run it again and it will provide you another output. There are a lot of things which you can do with this email generator. For instance, as the example provided by Cohere itself, maybe uh, go with this one where you are writing a professional email to the CEO at some abcinc.com. Let's run it and look at this. How cool is that? Where it is just to the point, very professional in a very formal way. The email has been written in a jiffy. You don't have to worry about too much. And then you can also write an email to your manager. You can do sales pitches. You can write some cold reach emails. Lot of stuff you can do. And if you are struggling to find the ideas, go to this example page from them, and then you can just pick one of them from here. For example, you can run this restaurant customer inquiry. Just click here, and it will take you to that page, and from there you can ask it, and then you can even grab the code from their website, which you can embed in your APIs instead of just from the GUI. So very, very cool. I love it. I'm also going to make another video and as how you can write this code in your own Linux instance by using their API key. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or ideas, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.